A very good morning to you all students. Today we shall discuss about proportional, progressive, regressive and degressive taxes. Now what are proportional taxes? A tax is called proportional tax when the rate of taxation remains the same as the income of the taxpayer increases. Suppose the income of the taxpayer is 5 lakh or 10 lakh or 15 lakh. But if the tax rate is fixed at 20%, so in proportional taxation, whatever may be the income of the taxpayer, the rate of tax remains the same. Here I am talking about the rate of tax, 20%. It will remain uniform. Coming to progressive taxation, a tax is called progressive when the rate of taxation increases as the income of the taxpayer increases. It means the higher the income, the higher is the rate of tax. Suppose if a person income is 5 lakh, he is paying 10% tax. And suppose the income of the person now becomes 10 lakh, so he will be paying 20% tax. So higher income means higher rate of tax. Regressive taxation. A regressive tax is one in which rate of taxation decreases as the income of the taxpayer increases. You can see in the table, students, regressive taxes, the income becomes 5 lakh and then the income becomes 10 lakh. There is an increase in income from 5 lakh to 10 lakh. In a regressive tax, at 5 lakh, the person is paying rate of tax 20. And in income 10 lakh, the rate of tax becomes 15. So in a regressive, what happens? When the income increases, the rate of tax will decrease. Now let us have a look on this table. See, they have given proportionate tax, progressive tax and regressive tax. When the income increases, proportionate tax remains the same. When the income increases, progressive tax increases from 20 to 30%. And when the income increases, the regressive tax rate decreases. Coming to degressive tax, in degressive tax what happens is, suppose the person income is increases. Initially the rate of tax will increase, but after a certain point, the rate of tax will become constant. Okay, with an increase in income of the person or of the taxpayer, the tax rate will initially increase. But after a point of time, the tax rate will become uniform or it will remain the same. So that is the case of degressive taxation. Looking at the diagram, students, proportional taxation has a straight line. Income and tax rate has to be plotted on x-axis and y-axis. Proportional tax has the straight line. Progressive tax is going upward. Regressive tax is going downward. And degressive tax, it increases and then it becomes constant. Thank you, students.